Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Future Force, please subscribe and like my videos. Today, we are going to explore one of the most daring and impactful operations of the modern war. An operation that has shaken Russia's confidence in its own power structures and has revealed to the world how Ukraine has developed new ways of striking at the very heart of its enemy's energy systems. The story we are diving into is about the Blackout Strike, the powerful and stealthy attack that targeted Russia's most critical energy nerves. This operation is not only about explosions and destruction, it is about the message, the precision, the intelligence, and the shift in balance it represents. Throughout this detailed review, we will go deep into every layer of this event, looking at its external appearance, the internal mechanisms that made it possible, the performance of the mission, the built-in safety measures that made it controlled rather than reckless, the unique features that made this strike stand out, the cost and price of the operation compared to the damage it caused, and ultimately the bigger conclusion about what this means for the war and the future of warfare itself. From the outside, the Blackout Strike looked like a sudden spark of chaos in the night sky. Russia has long believed that its deep energy facilities, especially those far from the front lines, were untouchable. But under the cover of darkness, drones and missiles began to move like shadows across the horizon. The explosions that followed lit up the night, turning energy stations, depots, and power grids into pillars of fire. For those watching from a distance, the exterior impression was terrifying and spectacular at the same time. Imagine the sight of massive oil tanks igniting, the crackling sound of transformers being hit, the glowing trails of incoming drones flying with precision, and then the silence that followed as electricity grids went dark. That was the outside face of this mission, a combination of stealth, speed, and destruction. The symbolism of darkness falling across Russian territories was just as powerful as the physical destruction itself. Inside the mission, the picture becomes even more fascinating. This was not a random bombardment. It was an operation carefully designed with intelligence, surveillance, and coordination. Ukrainian strategists and engineers worked together to identify the weak points in Russia's energy network. Satellite images gave them detailed knowledge of where the storage depots were, where the electrical substations connected, and where the most damage could be caused with the least amount of resources. The interior story of this operation reveals a mix of Western supplied technologies and Ukraine's own domestically built drones and missiles. Behind closed doors, planners ensured every element of the mission was synchronized, from the timing of launches to the electronic jamming systems that would confuse Russian radars. The interior aspect also highlights the human effort. Operators sitting at control stations, guiding drones through secure communication channels, intelligence officers monitoring Russian defensive responses, and technical teams making sure the drones were optimized for stealth. This was a layered plan with multiple fallback options in case some drones were intercepted. It is the depth of planning that makes the interior dimension of the Blackout Strike a story of innovation and discipline. Performance is one of the most striking aspects of this Blackout Strike. On the battlefield, performance is measured not just by what is hit, but by how effectively it changes the situation. In this case, performance was visible in the scale of the blackout that followed. Energy lines powering critical infrastructure were cut. Oil depots feeding Russian military supply chains went up in flames, and rail transport that depends on fuel and electricity was disrupted. The mission achieved maximum effect with relatively minimal resources. performance also extends to the psychological level. Russian citizens in affected regions experienced sudden darkness and confusion. Industries faced unexpected shutdowns, and military supply planners had to urgently rearrange logistics. From a military perspective, the strike was highly efficient. It pierced through layered defenses, achieved multiple hits, and created a shockwave of consequences far greater than the cost of the drones and missiles used. This performance showed the world that Ukraine has evolved into a military force capable of sophisticated precision strikes far beyond the front lines. Even in warfare, safety features matter. No mission is executed without measures to protect assets and minimize risks. In this blackout strike, several safety layers were built into the plan. The use of unmanned drones and long-range missiles ensured no Ukrainian soldiers had to be physically present in enemy territory, eliminating human losses on their side. Electronic warfare units provided protection by jamming or confusing Russian radar, making it harder for air defenses to detect and intercept incoming strikes. Target selection itself was part of the safety design. Rather than aimlessly hitting civilian, heavy areas, the mission focused on energy hubs directly linked to the Russian war machine. Safety in this context also refers to the precision of the weapons. Each drone and missile was guided with accuracy to ensure the damage was focused and deliberate, reducing collateral damage and making sure that every strike counted. These safety features show that Ukraine is not operating recklessly, but is instead applying modern standards of calculated warfare, where control and discipline are as important as aggression. What sets the Blackout Strike apart from earlier operations are its unique selling points. In traditional battles, both sides hit each other along the front lines with artillery and infantry, but this operation bypassed that old pattern and went directly into Russia's rear, striking energy systems that power its economy and war machine. One unique selling point is its cost-effectiveness. Ukraine used relatively cheap but advanced drones to cause damage worth billions of dollars in infrastructure and revenue losses. Another unique point is the symbolic value of a blackout. Electricity represents power, stability, and control. By switching it off in parts of Russia, Ukraine sent the message that Russia's sense of security is an illusion. It was not just about oil or power lines. It was about showing that Ukraine can reach into the heart of Russian systems whenever it chooses. Another unique selling point lies in the timing. The strike happened at night, maximizing stealth and minimizing detection, which reinforced the psychological effect of waking up in darkness and chaos. This uniqueness is what makes the Blackout Strike not just another mission, but a turning point in modern warfare. The price of the Blackout Strike is worth examining carefully. On Ukraine's side, the resources used were relatively small compared to the massive scale of damage caused. Each drone and missile might cost thousands or hundreds of thousands, but the facilities destroyed represent billions in reconstruction costs for Russia. The price for Russia goes beyond money. It includes the cost of repairing infrastructure, the loss of energy revenues, the disruption of military supply chains, and the blow to national morale. For ordinary Russian citizens, the price came in the form of power outages and reduced services, creating frustration and anger at their leadership's inability to protect them. For the Russian government, the price includes the embarrassment of admitting that their defense systems were penetrated by Ukraine. This cost-benefit equation clearly tilts in Ukraine's favor. Spending little to cause massive disruption is the essence of asymmetric warfare, and Ukraine has mastered it through strikes like this one. In the end, the Blackout Strike is not just a single event, but a glimpse into the future of warfare. It shows that wars are no longer only about tanks rolling across battlefields or soldiers clashing in trenches. They are about intelligence, stealth, precision, and the ability to disrupt the enemy's lifelines. The Blackout Strike revealed Ukraine's capability to innovate under pressure, to combine local ingenuity with international support, and to use technology in ways that maximize impact while minimizing cost and risk. From the outside, it was a fiery spectacle in the night sky. From the inside, it was a masterpiece of planning and coordination. Its performance proved devastating to Russian energy systems. Its safety features made it controlled and efficient. Its unique selling points gave it symbolic power beyond physical destruction. And the price equation showed how Ukraine can make Russia pay heavily while spending little. This is why the Blackout Strike matters so much. It is a story of resilience, creativity, and the evolving nature of war, where brains and precision matter more than brute force. As the conflict continues, the Blackout Strike will be remembered as one of those moments where the balance shifted, where a smaller nation showed it could strike deep into the vulnerabilities of a larger power, and where the world witnessed a preview of what future wars may look like. So stay connected with Future Force as we continue to bring you in-depth reviews of these critical moments. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because there are more stories, more insights, and more analyses coming your way.